Okay. So IDE is must and should. So there are a lot of available IDEs in the market like NetBeans, Eclipse, and IntelliJ. So NetBeans is a old one, very old one for Java. So Eclipse is the most used and most. I mean, it's very easy to configure, and IntelliJ also very easy, and it is reducing the load of a developer. Very easy to start. I mean, creating the projects and shortcuts are very easy. And yeah, most of the persons are using Eclipse only. So let me go for Eclipse. How to download the Eclipse I will show you first, and how to configure the Eclipse. First of all, you can go here. 1 second, guys. So you can go to any one of it link, download link. I'll give you the link as well. So click on this. One second, guys. See. Okay, so you have to click this download link. So it will automatically start the download. I already clicked it. It will start its own. It will start the download. Because I already have it, right? So I don't want to download it again. And I'll give you the link, this link, so you can go and download it. And once it is downloaded, so how it is look like? I'll show you. It's a zip file. It will be look like this. It will be look like this zip file. All you have to do unzip. So you need to have this one, a WinRAR. You need to have a WinRAR to unzip the zip files. So first of all, you have to install the WinRAR. And WinRAR is very simple. Just go and download the WinRAR directly. It will download .exe file. Just double click and install it like normal software. Next, finish only. Easy. And after that, if you see, it will be showing in this. Yeah, a lot of softwares are there, not only WinRAR. So yeah, you can choose this. And once it is downloaded, you have to extract it. You have to extract to eclipse.je or else extract here. Anything is fine. So once it is extracted, it will create this file folder. Open this folder and open Eclipse. You can see there is a Eclipse application. There is another Eclipse also is a configuration settings, but it's an application. All you have to do, just double click. If you do the double click, it will open the Eclipse. So every time you cannot come here and do it is not an installable file. Nowhere we didn't install, right? Nowhere we installed it. Directly we run it. We just download the Eclipse zip file and we just extract it and we are directly running the file. So that means it is not an installable file. It's runnable, directly runnable file, right? So it will open like this. Okay. Now this is a old batch actually. Yeah. After opening this, what you have to do, you have to pin it. You cannot directly you cannot go to this many folders every day and open, right? Just unpin, pin it. You already pinned it. All you have to do, just do the pin to taskbar. It will be there in the taskbar itself. Now I'll create another workspace. Workspace. So I'm going to create a new workspace. So Eclipse is definitely require a workspace. Without a workspace, it will not take it will not work. It will not start. We need to have a workspace. I just created this folder as a workspace. So whenever you're creating any folder, whenever you're choosing any folder as a workspace, I'll just show you. So it is empty folder, right? As of now, whenever I choose this, whenever I launch this as a workspace, it will create some folders, metadata, .metadata files. One second, it will update. You can able to see here. You can able to see .metadata folder is created. So this is some internal folders which will be used by the Eclipse. So that's why it is created for each and every workspace. That's fine. Now I'm opening the Eclipse. So for you guys also it will show like this only. Start, empty, everything is empty. Now here you can able to create the projects and you can able to create the classes. Yeah, you can able to create the methods, main methods, same thing you can create it here. And it's very easy to write the code. You no need to, it will automatically compile. It is auto compile. So you no need to, compile it every time. For every change, you no need to go for the compilation. So it will automatically compile whenever you save the file. So yeah, I'll show you that as well. So first of all, I would like to create a project. So first of all, so if you wanted to create a classes, you cannot directly create a class here. You need to have a project first. That's a architecture of a Eclipse projects actually. So first, right click here in the project explorer, new project. It will be any kind, a lot of types of projects are available. You can see you need to have select Java project. Okay. Give some name. Okay, fine. So this is what the project I'm giving, name, finish. No need. You can see there is a JRE system library and SRC. So we will talk about this JRE system library later. So this is nothing but Java. You said Java is already installed in your system, right? Where is it and what is it first of all? It's all about the classes. It's all about the jars. Jars in the sense, Java itself is a project. They created a project and we can able to use that project so that we can able to use their classes and all the stuff. So you can see rt.jar. rt.jar is a main jar. So we have a lot of classes available in this. Important classes. Every important class is resides in the rt.jar only. Was it? We will talk about this later. At start, I don't want to go ahead. So now SRC. What is this? This is a source folder. All the Java related classes will come here. Now, let's say in this core Java course, we will have around We have a lot of concepts, right? Like 40 concepts are there, 40-50 concepts are there. For each and every concept, if you create a 2-3 classes, let's say, and around 2 classes, it will be 100 classes. It will be. If you directly create a class under the SRC, 100 classes, and if you wanted to revise it after some time, what class is for what? You don't know, right? Even though you give the name also, sometimes being classes, you don't need to give the name. It will be common names. So that time it will be very confusing. So all you have to do, you have to create a folders. First of all, you have to create a folder, and inside of that folder, then only you can write a particular concept code there. That's a good practice we have to follow. To create a folder in this Java nomenclature, it's a package. Name is changed, it's a package. You have to call it as a package. So com dot, you can give any name. I'm not learning dot basics. Okay. Instead of Java SE standard edition dot learning dot basics. What is dots? Why these three is required? Dot in the sense, even though I have a basic concept, right? Let me go to the index. Here, this is a basic concepts. Even though in the basic concepts, we have a lot of concepts, like around 10 concepts are there. If you directly create 10 concepts under the learning, all the 10 concepts under the learning, so it is not good to look, right? So we have to create a basics. Under the basics also, we have to create some other folders, like for increment and decrement, one folder. Again, loops is one folder, methods is one folder, like that. This is called as a folders. Java SE is a one folder. Instead of a Java SE, learning is a one folder. Instead of it, basic is a one folder. I will show you it here. Finish. You can see this is a package it is created. Let me go to the file explorer. Whatever we created the project here, it will create here. Same workspace it will use. Go there. SRC, Java SE, learning, basics. You can able to see the same packages, folders. You can call it as a folders in the Windows. In the Eclipse, you will call it as a packages. That's it. That's the difference. And you can create a class now. Instead of a package, this is a normal thing now onwards. Create a class. I'll directly start with the hello world. Very basic example. See, it is automatically created a class. Public class hello world, the same structure, symbol, same. And it is having one more line. It is a package. Package name java sc.learning.basics. Right? We need to have a main method inside of it. All you have to do in Eclipse, there are a lot of shortcuts are there. You don't need to type everything. Type just main and give the control space. You can see main method is coming here. You need to select this. It will automatically form the whole thing. So, but for a first starting, you need to type it actually. For the starting of your learning, right, you have to type it. Then only you will get some confidence. What is the small letters and what is the capital letters? You will get some confidence on it. Now, system.out.println. There is again one more shortcut. Give you see. So give the double quotes. Hello world. So if I wanted to run this class, so it's already compiled. Because how can you say that it's already compiled? Let me remove this semicolon. As we already seen, you can see whenever I am removing the semicolon, at the same time it is giving an error. So you can able to see there is an error. You can see here, and in the same line it is here. Here also it is showing. So syntax error, insert semicolon to complete the block statement. So same thing we already seen it in a command prompt also. So it will automatically show you whenever you have some errors. It will automatically compile basically. Okay, all you have to do just run it. No need to type even a command while running. Also Java space hello world is not required. All you have to do, there is a run symbol, hello world, you can able to run it here. See, you can see the output here. And in the second way, how to run it, right click in the project, right click in the program anywhere, run as Java application. So this is also same. It will give you the output. Okay. So that's about Eclipse overview. So you can able to create any kind of a class and any kind of a folders, packages in the sense. Yeah. Then inside of it, you can create its classes, methods. We will see one by one.